Hello guys, welcome back to Nightman Trading Channel. As you can see, मेरे साथ तो as usual same चीज़ हो रही है every day. If I'm talk about this, I have taken a loss. This was the loss that I've taken it. Unfortunately, from on this trade, I become liquidity. So no issue, no biggie. Same चीज़ हो रही है every day. I mean, taking loss during London and uh, getting back a loss with a little profit on the NY session. So kind of सब सेम ही चल रहा है. तो no biggie. That was a proper plan executed trade. Unfortunately, it was lost. So because there is nothing in our hand. But what I did after that was for me is a magical because मैं FOMO आ जाता हूँ because I was so confident that this trade going to go up to this Asia high or to above this. I was pretty much sure. I mean, I was like, it has to go. There is no other way that market going to not going there. As you can see right now, मतलब चांस था ही जाने का. But that time market did not give me my entry model, right? So I have not taken the trade, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी बात है बिकॉज जिस तरह का ट्रेडर मैं हूँ, जिस तरह का फोमो एंट्रीज को मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा वो कर देता हूँ कभी कभी व्हेन आई हैव टेक अ लॉस और समथिंग. तो आई हैव अवॉइडेड दैट बिकॉज इफ आई हैव टेकन एन एंट्री, it might be uh, it might be good one, but unfortunately it was not in my plan, so I have not taken it. And now what happened is that after break of structure, internal break of structure, price moved to the upside. So we just have to be in the moment. Okay, so I'm trying to be in this moment right now. So अब yes, this is weak, swing low, high probability that it's going to run. Okay, but our current internal order flow is bullish. So what I need to do is that I have to follow my current order flow till it fail. So अगर वो fail होता है, like it's come down like this, sorry, I've not huh. If it come down like this and break this one and give us any kind of an entry here, then I have to take a target this low. Okay, so that is the idea, that is the whole concept of my trading style. Okay, so now what I am waiting on M15 is that because as you know, H1 to M15 POI is still unmitigated and there are lots of liquidity buildup around here. Yes, we are above discounted zone, we are in the premium zone. Buying at a premium will be not a good or essential thing, but I have to follow my internal order flow because after this, what I say, this POI, there is nothing left behind that. If you see this one, it's already mitigated and nothing there which can supposedly work. You know, if you see clearly, proper order flow is going on here. Market goes up, it come down to respect this POI and comes up and respect the second POI and and break this flip. And what it did a very good momentum to the upside. Now we just have to follow the order flow till up here. That is the whole concept, and that is the idea on M15. I'm looking for that. Okay, so this will be the high probability, but it has to be it has some kind of a lid for me to take an entry, or an an LC2 should be there for me to take an entry. LC2 is must be there. So I am just waiting for price to mitigate this one. Yes, I'm not journal this loss that I'm taking it, because I will do that at night. uh, so no biggie. There is no uh, there is I couldn't find anything on the left side yet till up to this. So there is a chance, like yesterday I have taken that this trade, it might be the invalid one, but I can take that with this POI because it is high probability. I can take that and SL behind this, like tight stop loss 85 and target till this or till up to this. So I can take a limit order from this zone as well, but I am actually most of time I have avoid taking limit orders. So I am just waiting for price to mitigate. As you know, just a second, there is a news around 6 p.m. फाइनल जीडीपी क्वार्टरली रिपोर्ट आएंगे यूएस डॉलर में, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्लेम के रिपोर्ट्स आएंगे। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, ज़्यादा सिग्निफिकेंट चेंजेस तो नहीं लग रहा है कि आएगा, बट द थिंग इज़ दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एग्जीक्यूट ट्रेड टिल अप 615. Yes, it is high probability that during the news market just calm down. Like if I go towards the M15, it can, like dump very aggressively and the same candle momentum go upside. This thing can also happen. So उसको भी ध्यान रखते हुए we have to figure it out that what we are going to do about it. Okay, it is great that day 80 is going on. मतलब मैंने 80 लाइव्स कर चुका हूँ. होप वन डे वो 100 तो वेरी सून दैट विल बी 100 आफ्टर 20 days. बट आई मीन 500 एंड 1000 days होंगे तो हम कहाँ होंगे. दैट इज द थिंग ना, मुझे वो सोचना है. तो आई एम वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स दैट एंड लेट्स होप फॉर द बेटर फ्यूचर. आई होप मेरी आवाज़ क्लियर है बिकॉज वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. आज मैंने थोड़ा सा एक सेटिंग में चेंजेस किया है, लो लेटेंसी, अल्ट्रा लो लेटेंसी. सो मे बी शायद आप लोग मुझे फीडबैक दे सकते हो कि ये वर्क कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. बिकॉज आई फाइंड आउट between us, I mean जब when you guys do comments, you always slightly behind the live, I mean the current scenario. So I try to do that ultra low latency thing, which is the setting that I have enabled on YouTube now. So hope it वो एक अच्छी लेटेंसी की वजह से सही आ रहा होगा. So 10 minute pass. Actually, there is a news, so I'm I'm avoiding that. But what can happen? What what could be happen during the news? We just don't know. But according to our GBP yes, I was looking to sell. Agar if you see my Discord GBP outlook today, what I posted is that from this H4 POI when the price was around here, right now price was here, right? अगर आप अभी देखोगे, now you see price is above. When I was doing outlook, price was here. That particular time I was looking to sell after the mitigation of H1 supply zone. So that is the beauty of my trading style. uh, I tell you, I never ever, most of time, I mean the 90% of the time, I never do a direct limit order on any kind of entry. Yes, sometime what happen is that fraction of second price come towards the POI and just wake up and it's go beyond my entry level. So ऐसा होता है, I can understand, but इससे आई हैव सेव माई सेल्फ. स्टॉप ऑर्डर प्लेस करना, सेल स्टॉप ऑर्डर प्लेस करने की वजह से आई हैव सेव माई सेल्फ. इफ आई पुटेड अ लिमिट ऑर्डर above here, like to this POI, and the SL was behind this, it might be the safest one to do that. But अगर मैं डायरेक्टली करता तो what can happen is that I have taken a loss. यहाँ मेरा लॉस होता. This was the area that time. अगर आप clearly, if you know compare it, this compare now, you know, वो तो उस वक्त सारे मैंने zones बना के रखे थे, but comparatively this was the time that I was looking to sell, but price did not break the previous candle low and price did not triggered me into the trade. So it was good, and actually good name, fine, perfectly fine. So I am now on GBP JPY. I'm more of a bullish now, bullish scenario, because the thing is that simple. According to the daily, current order flow is very aggressively bullish, and there is nothing here which can stop the price. It might be there is an imbalance, yet it can happen. Price mitigate the imbalance and come down, but when it's mitigate these of the imbalances, I need to see a fractal break to the downside. It confirmed me that it's going to happen now, so then only I will look to sell on GBP JPY, but not directly. Currently my bias is completely bullish on GBP JPY, completely. uh, थोड़ा lag है क्या? I mean, I find some lag. यही प्रॉब्लम है तो यार. शिट. So what I was talking about is about GBP JPY. I am completely bullish on this one, so I need a mitigation of this H4 POI to stack on H1. Okay, so H4 and H1 के stack zone में, if there is a POI which I can look upon it, this was, I can see there is not any kind of POI behind after that. So when price mitigate this one, I might look to trade a trade. Let's see, let's hope. and now we come towards M15. It is coming down very aggressively, so I might take an entry, but it was a news time, so I will wait, just wait. At least 6:15 happen, then after that only look to enter. Let's go towards the Discord. And what I posted yesterday, daily motivational improvement trading mindset, this video, I hope you guys see this, because it's one of the best podcast reset time I see after this one. And it's what these type of podcast or videos are why I, what I why I share this, because somehow I you know I find a relation, I mean I find uh, what can I say about it. I find some similarities between me and the guy that I posted. So जो चीज़ें मैं mistakes करता हूँ, I see that these are the professional traders that which are they are doing since last 10 years, making millions of dollars on forex trading. They still do the same mistake. So वो चीज़ सुनकर या फिर देखकर समझ में आता है, आई एम नॉट दी वन दैट आर डूइंग दिस, but there are some people who are making profits every day, and while they are in profit still they make mistakes. Okay, so that's why most of time I posted these kind of videos, and hope you guys learn something from it. Let's go towards the daily motivation quote. you हाँ, आज का मैंने जो पोस्ट किया था, यू जस्ट नीड अ प्लान एंड अ एज, हार्ड वर्क, consistency, and lot of persistence. Hmm? You will lose, you will fail, but you will overcome everything. Don't give up. That is the idea of whole trading career if you select this, because it is a very competitive and very difficult field to master. You get a degree from your medical career, from your lawyer career, from anything you can get it. And after that you might be think that everything is easy. Yes, it will be for you, but for as a trader every day is a spirit of fighting. So हम लोग को वो चीज़ करते चलनी है, because वही अच्छा होता है. I show you my PNL of this week. I mean, it's like hell lot of a week. I mean, see, Monday I have got 2%. Next day, take, taking loss London and getting back on NY. Same thing happened next day. Uh, Taking loss London, getting back to R and get 1 plus. And now same thing is going to happen. I feel that if price give me the entry after NY news. So news is around 6 p.m. I have already taken a loss during London session, and now I wanted to get back my profit. But if it not happen, this week might be end up in a positive note, because tomorrow is still there. So let's hope no issue, because ऐसे ही है. March was not that, I mean, good. Second week was very much good, 4.55 and 3, and after that was nothing is big enough. So last week बहुत ही choppy जा रहा है. So we have to go according to. I hope this what I hope this uh, कोई ट्रेड लिया आपने? यस लिया था, दिस वन. ये तो मैंने अभी ऐसी लिमिट ऑर्डर सोच के लगाया हुआ है, मतलब मैंने ये सोच कर कि आई कैन टेक दैट, बट इसे मैं हटा देता हूँ, बिकॉज करेंटली जब तक मैं अपनी चीज़ें नहीं देखूँ आई विल नॉट टेक दैट. दिस ट्रेड आई हैव टेकन इट around I guess 12:35 when the Frankfurt was open, because before Frankfurt I'm not taking a trade, so I have taken a loss, no issue. But the bias was right. I want to look. I know that price going to go up. I have become a liquidation, liquidation here. So no issue. And now still I'm looking to buy, but if price come to my POI, then only, not before and not after. I mean, if not after, if not giving me the entry. Hope you get your answer. Hmm. so so that was the Notion dashboard that I talk about. The month was great. Previous month was awesome, but if I talk about I mean, I talk about um, January is not that good. I mean, start here 0 -2 -1 3 1.2 minus 1.2 0 1 2 1 0.5 माइनस 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 2, मतलब बहुत लॉसेस आए थे जनवरी में। अब ये क्वार्टर ख़त्म हो रहा है, यानी कि एक चीज़ याद रखना है, अभी जब ये मेरा क्वार्टर ख़त्म हो जाएगा ना, क्योंकि फर्स्ट क्वार्टर इज़ अबाउट टू एंड, राइट? सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू आफ्टर दैट, ट्रेड जर्नल में जाऊँगा, 2025 के जर्नल में जाऊँगा, क्वार्टर वन रिव्यू पे जाऊँगा, और यहाँ पर सारे डिटेल्स, मतलब हर चीज़ आई विल गोइंग टू पोस्ट हियर। मतलब कितने लॉस लिया मैंने 3 महीने में, कितने विन किया, कौन से एंट्री मॉडल मेरे अच्छे थे, कौन से मेरे ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट दिए, कौन से नहीं दिए, सारा चीज़ यहाँ पहले लिखूँगा। फिर जो भी ये क्वेश्चन मुझे प्री नोशन में सारे, मॉम नहीं है बेटा इधर, जाओ 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 मॉम, बंद करो इसको हुजैफा, ए। What drives you to success as a trader? What have you done in the quarter to improve your performance? What are the major trading lesson you've learned? तो ये सारी चीज़ें मैं पूरा एनालाइज्ड करने के बाद, जस्ट अ सेकेंड ना गाइस, जस्ट अ सेकेंड। So sorry, I have to shut down the door, और फिर वो ज़्यादा वॉइस आती, चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं होती। हाँ, so sorry, I was like, hop into the charts. एंड व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज, सो मैं ये सारी एक एक चीज़ पे क्वार्टरली मुझे देखना है, बिकॉज वी हैव टू ट्रेड अ ट्रेडिंग एज अ बिजनेस, राइट? वी डोंट हैव टू बी हॉप इन इट, लाइक we don't do journals, we don't do quarterly reviews, we don't do monthly reviews and everything. This, let me finish this one, then we will talk about so ये सारी चीज़ें, सारा चीज़ रिव्यू करूँगा फर्स्ट क्वार्टर, फिर ताकि मैं नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर यानी कि अप्रैल मई जून मैं स्पॉइल ना करूँ अपने आप को, या फिर जो भी चीज़ें मैंने मिस्टेक्स की हैं इन बिटवीन दैट, मैं उसे रिपीट ना करूँ। और इस साल से मैं कुछ एंट्री मॉडल मैं अब ट्रेड नहीं करता हूँ, लाइक दिस वन आई ट्रेड दिस वन दिस एंड दैट, सो आई विल चेंज ऑल ऑफ दिस। वो मैं जब आई स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट, बिकॉज ये संडे, दिस आफ्टर दिस फ्राइडे ये सारे रिव्यूज़ एंड एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट होंगे। और फिर मैं लाइक सैटरडे संडे, मतलब इफ़ ईद इज़ अराउंड मंडे, मैं 2 दिन आई मीन लाइक मैं पूरी तरह से हेल्प, मतलब पूरा जो ये ट्रेड्स मैंने लिए हैं जर्नल्स में, एक एक ट्रेड को मैं पर्सनली जाके देखूंगा। आई मीन ऑलमोस्ट आई हैव टेकन 3 मंथ्स ऑलमोस्ट 87 ट्रेड्स, जो भी मैं अभी लाइक 88 हो जाएगा, हो सकता है 90 हो जाए, तो 90 यानी कि एवरेज 30 ट्रेड्स अ डे, मतलब 30 ट्रेड्स अ मंथ मैं ले रहा था एवरेज। सो उसके हिसाब से मुझे टोटल 90 ट्रेड्स में एक एक स्क्रीनशॉट, एक एक मिस्टेक्स को वापस से, जो मैं हफ्ते में करता हूँ वो चीज़ मैं महीने में करूँगा। सो जो चीज़ मिस हो गई है वो मैं वापस से नोट डाउन करूँगा, और क्या मुझे नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर में करना है उसकी मैं तैयारी करूँगा। ये मैं आप लोगों को बता दिया, क्योंकि ये मैं प्रोसेस 2024 से तो एटलीस्ट कंसिस्टेंट कर रहा हूँ। जनवरी 24 से, मतलब लास्ट क्वार्टर ऑफ दिस मंथ, ये सेम टाइम पे आई स्टार्टेड इट एंड आई एम स्टिल डूइंग दैट। सो सॉरी, माई वॉच इज़ लाइक, हाँ, तो ये है एक चीज़ करनी है जो मैं इनकरेज करूँगा, यू गाइस हैव टू डू इट। अब अचानक से सब मुश्किल लग रहा है मुझे। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट आई यू सेइंग, व्हाट, फर्स्ट टेल मी, ये नॉर्मल प्राइस एक्शन है, विच वन यू टॉकिंग अबाउट? आप यू देख रहे हो, आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट जीबीपी जेपीवाई, और यू हैव पोस्टेड एनीथिंग ऑन अ डिस्कॉर्ड सो दैट आई हैव मिस्ड इट? वो है तो लेट मी जस्ट बी क्लियरफाई so that I can, be specific with your questions so that I understand and try my level best to explain. अब अचानक से सब मुश्किल लग रहा है, it's not like that, it's just that whatever the strategy that you are currently using it, right? Just look to your trades, because the trades, the journal, the data that you have is the only thing that can save you. Nobody will, even I don't. वो आप ही कर सकते हो अपने आप को, वो डाटा ही आपको बताएगा कि दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सिचुएशन, what bad thing that you are doing, what good thing that you are doing, does you are taking according to your plan, or you're trying to be some, twisting it in between, invalid or valid or something. Like if this last 3 months, next 3 months, what I'm going to do is that I will implement one more thing into my journal, which is called invalid trades. Because what happened previous last 3 months, I have taken some of invalid trade which is not according to my plan, and some of them are go towards the TP. Some have taken the losses, so I have to put it at somewhere so that I have understand the next 3 month will, April, May, June, that these and invalid trade, who which one are the best ones, so that I can add on to the next 3 month, ऐसे ही हम लोग को चलना है। अगर जो भी बैड इनवैलिड ट्रेड्स है उसको रिपीट नहीं करना है, क्योंकि मैं अक्सर रिपीट करता हूँ, लाइक सम ऑफ देम, लाइक हियर, दिस वाज सम टाइप ऑफ invalid trade, I can take that, but I did not, because what happened here is that M15 FVG imbalances was filled around here. I show you, this was the imbalance that price filled. Okay, ये एक हिसाब से invalid trade होगा, not according to my strategy. And what happened after that, market shift happened, and it did give us the entry again. I see that, अच्छा अच्छा, network issue है, okay okay, but I have not taken it because that was not according to my plan. So I have to, if I'm not going to take the trade on my funded account or my live account, at least I post it on my journal so that I will understand in the future that it might work, it might not. So that is the thing that I have to be, euro USD में इतना confusion चल रहा है, that maybe there is a chances that क्या होता है before the news sometime, if the news, most of the news is come during NY na, so if a volatility is come about to come and NY, there is so many manipulation happen during London and London low. So I might, this kind of thing has happened, but actually price was saying a good thing. There is no, what I say, a confusion, because it's showing, see, according to my strategy, the simple thing is that I have to follow this internal order flow till it fails. Okay. So now it was bullish. When I come to the charts, it was bullish. And I was pretty much sure that I that is going to go up, but मैंने गलत time पर entry की. I was thinking that price do this, but instead of that, what the price did is that it come down, liquidate me up. Yes, my bias and everything was correct, but I become liquidity. So that's why always see, if I open this fib tool to this, okay, ये जो था, it is coming in above my uh, you know EQ zone, ये above आ रहा था, right? So why I have taken this bad trade? Always I have to be, price has to be in the, if I'm going for a buy, price has to be in the discounted zone. So that is the mistake that I did here. It might be the FOMO that I've taken it, but the bias was correctly performing well. So that's why इसलिए जल्दी से, जैसे कि आई वाज जस्ट एनालाइजिंग ड्यूरिंग 12 p.m. and suddenly I have taken the trade around 12:32. So it I mean 20 to 25 minutes I was just analyzing it, and suddenly I have taken an entry. That is the main loss trigger point for me, I guess. So nothing, I don't find any choppiness in the market right now. Even GBP is looking great. I mean, it's just pushing up, not giving us the entry. I mean, like hell lot of it. Just pushing up. I want to see the pullback so that I can enter it again, but there is nothing. So I hope I, you know, clear your answer. Does the fractal break happen? Yes, it did, but yeah, why? There is a news, man. I mean, it's a perfect time for me to take an entry, but it's around news, so I have to be more cautious before the news, or I might take a direct limit order. I mean, what can I do about it? Let's hope what's going to happen before the news, and let's see what your question is. ट्रेडिंग के लिए कैसी किसी का कोर्स नहीं लूँगा तो चलेगा ना? खुद से पढ़ के बैक टेस्ट करके एक्सएनएस पे ले लूँ $100 रख के? आ, सुनो, डिफ़िकल्ट होगा, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होगा। मतलब अगर आप खुद से सारी चीज़ें करने जाओगे ना, so it might take you longer. Yes, you can do that. There are some people can doing that uh, without getting a course or something, just searching from the YouTube and but YouTube पे भी अगर जो नॉलेज मैं भी दे रहा हूँ या कोई और भी दे रहा है ना, वो डेप्थ में नहीं है, डेप्थ में नहीं है। तो डेप्थ में जाने के लिए यू हैव टू गो फॉर अ कोर्स, एंड यू डोंट वरी माय फ्रेंड, very soon I will launch my own. So you might be the one that I can give a hefty discount, because you are one of my very early subscriber and I will early interactive person. So what I'm saying is that मेरा मत लो, किसी का भी लो, but what I'm saying is that you have to go for a course, because then only you go to a deep dive into this. Because जिसका भी कोर्स है लोगे या कुछ भी करोगे, you have to surrender that guy for at least next 6 months, then only you will see the result. और या तो फिर अगर आप अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी को किसी के पास, किसी की स्ट्रैटेजी सीख कर यूट्यूब पे या फिर किसी का कोर्स ले करके, यू ऑलरेडी गेन द नॉलेज, सो नाउ यू डोंट नीड इट, नो बडी विल सेव यू एक्सेप्ट यू. सो वो आपको करना है. यू हैव टू डू योर बैक टेस्टिंग, यू हैव टू डू योर जर्नलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड यू कैन यस पोस्ट एक्सएनएस ले कर $100 डाल के यू कैन डू बाय योर सेल्फ. देर इज नो क्वेश्चन अबाउट इट. बट without course, without guidance, I must say. I know there are so many people in this arena which are just offering a bad, you know, just they are, collecting money from you guys and making lots of money from the courses and everything, but their strategy actually is not working. बिकॉज द सॉलिड थिंग इज हैपन, वो देखना जरूरी, बिकॉज आप कोर्स ले लोगे बट डे टू डे जो तकलीफें आ रही, जो चीज़ें आ रही, यू हैव टू फिगर इट आउट बाय योर सेल्फ। बट अगर आप कोर्स लोगे तो दैट गाय कैन हेल्प यू। आप एक्सएनएस पे $100 न्यूज ट्रेड मार लो, ऐसे कह रहा था। अच्छा, अच्छा वो एक्सएनएस पे, अच्छा 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 अच्छा। नहीं नहीं, आई एम नॉट, सोच रहा था बट नहीं यार, मतलब आई फाइंड दिस वीक इज नॉट सो दैट गुड, आई एम नॉट इन अ पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट, and that's why I'm not going to take it. But yes, see, suppose the thing is that about the news is simple. See, yes, most of time POIs are not work with the news. And see, agar there is only one POI, right? Not this one. This is the only POI, because after that I couldn't see anything good enough. This was the POI, I guess. This was also the POI. Okay, so total three POIs are there. Hmm. So I don't know during the news what going, which POI going to work. If price can do this and come like hell, or do this and come like this, or do this and come like this, अगर उसने ऐसा किया, that means it wipe up this people, wipe up these people, and take order from here, and everybody between here become liquidity, right? So I don't want to go with this kind of trade and take a news. If there is no POI, only this there, after what happen is most of time न्यूज में पीओआई भी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता है, पीओआई को भी स्वीप करके मार्केट अपसाइड चली जाती है। तो मैं क्या करता, अगर मैं न्यूज लेता, न्यूज पे ट्रेड लेता, अगर एक ही पीओआई आफ्टर दैट, सो आई विल सी द प्राइस कम अप टू टिल हियर एंड पुट इट माई एसएल बिहाइंड दिस लो, देन टारगेट दिस और दिस। ओके, मैं ऐसा कुछ कर सकता था। आई होप क्लियर आ रहा है, बिकॉज आई फाइंड यू नो आज नेटवर्क इशू है, नेटवर्क इशू। आई होप मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है, नेटवर्क इशू बहुत हो रहा है। अभी आ रही है आवाज़? बंद कर, बंद। अभी आ रही है आवाज़? नेटवर्क थोड़ा सा लैग कर गया था, इसकी वजह से शायद। आई थिंक इट्स अबाउट टाइम, ऑलमोस्ट 50 मिनट्स अब, एंड थोड़ा लैग पता नहीं क्यों आ रहा है, नेटवर्क का कुछ है गड़बड़। सो कंटिन्यू करते हैं कल, ठीक है? विल कंटिन्यू टुमारो। ठीक है, चलो, बाय बाय स्लेयर, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, आई रियली अप्रिशिएट, मैन, आई रियली डू। आपका भी नेटवर्क का इशू है बट स्टिल यू देयर, सो thank you so much. And I have already talked about my bias and everything. On GBP JPY I am looking to buy. On EU I still am looking to buy, but I will wait for the news candle to be, gone. I mean 6 p.m. news, then after 6:15 only I will look after the new after the trade. Before that I will not do that. So now I have to, say bye, and we may meet tomorrow. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye. Very, very, very soon. I mean, around Saturday, I will upload the video, that highly awaited one-to-one talk, and some things are very emotional in it, which I share with my heart, and hope you guys learn and get some value from it, because it is my life that I share with you. And उसमें मैंने शेयर किया है that what you going to do for the uh, get the prize, get the giveaway. So bye, bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, same time, same everything. Okay, bye.